Ever wished your finances were as vibrant and exciting as your life? Well, that's exactly what Vivid Money aims to do. But how does it work? Let's dive in. Vivid Money isn't just another boring banking app. It's a financial platform designed to make your money work harder, smarter, and more stylishly. With its sleek interface and a range of innovative features, Vivid is redefining the way we manage our finances. Key features and how to use them. Vivid Cards. Virtual cards. Create as many virtual cards as you need, each with its own spending limits and categories. Perfect for budgeting and online shopping. Physical cards. Order a stylish physical card that matches your personality. Customize it with your name, photo, and even a unique design. Spaces. Goal-based saving. Set up specific spaces for different savings goals, like a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund. Automated savings. Automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers to your spaces. Investing. Fractional investing. Invest in stocks and ETFs, even with small amounts. Investment vaults. Create investment vaults to diversify your portfolio and track your performance. Money management. Smart budgeting. Set budgets for different categories and track your spending in real time. Financial insights. Get personalized insights into your spending habits and financial health. How to get started. Download the app. Download the Vivid Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up. Create an account by providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Explore the features. Take some time to explore the different features and customize your experience. Start using it. Begin using your Vivid card for your daily expenses and start saving and investing. Tips for maximizing your Vivid experience. Set clear financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals to guide your spending and saving. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings spaces and recurring investments. Track your spending. Monitor your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Take advantage of the community. Join the Vivid community to learn from other users and share tips. Vivid Money is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By understanding its key features and using them effectively, you can simplify your financial life and make your money work harder for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.